Hello guys, welcome to another trading strategy. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and I'm also going to give you guys the index you are going to be trading with this strategy, because this strategy is not applicable on all the boom and crash index. So we are going to be selecting few index to trade with this strategy, and I'm going to be mentioning all the index you are going to be trading with this strategy. And also we are going to be talking about the settings for the strategy and how you can make use of the strategy. So stay tuned and make sure you follow me till the end. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to talk about the index you are going to be trading with this strategy. And the index is going to be the boom 300, boom 600, and boom 900. That is the boom index we are going to be trading with this strategy. Now, talking about crash, we are going to be trading the crash 300, crash 500, and crash 900. We can also trade the crash 600 as well. So that is the PS. But remember, we are not trading the boom 1000 and crash 1000 with this strategy. Okay. So after that, let me show you guys settings for the strategy real quick. Okay. So to set everything up, we are going to click on this icon we are seeing at the top. Okay. So this is where we are going to be adding all our indicator up. So after clicking on it, the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so how do we add this Bollinger Bands up? We click on this indicator window one. We set indicator window, sorry. You click on the main chart, you click on this F plus. That is what we are going to be clicking. Sorry. So after clicking on it, then the first indicator we are going to be adding is the Bollinger Bands. Now this is the parameters. The period is 15, shift deviation is 0.400, shift is 1, apply to close, and for the style, we only need the lower band. Okay, that is the style we need for the strategy, and of course the level is none. So click on save once you set everything up, and you have your Bollinger Bands in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is going to be the RSI right here. So how do we add it up? We click on this main chart, F plus, we set for RSI, and this is the parameters. Now we don't need the parameters. What we need is the levels. So that is what we need. Now for the levels, we need the 15 and the 12 levels for the levels. Then use any color of your choice and go back and click on save. So you have your RSI in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is going to be the envelope. At the very top, we click on this indicator in one F plus. We search for a envelope, and this is the parameters. Now for the envelope, the period is 10, shift is 0, the deviation is 0.050, method is inhabited, apply to close, and for the style, of course, we only need the upper band, which is going to be this color right here. So use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the next indicator we need for the strategy. Now for the last but not the least indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger moving average. Now for the moving average, this is the parameters. Now the period should be 10 to be 100, sorry, shift to be 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style, use the level choice and click on save. So that is all the settings you need for this strategy. Now how does this strategy works? I'm going to be explaining to you guys on both the boom and the crash index. Now to use this strategy, this is what you are looking out for. Now if you are looking for a trade, the first thing we are looking out for is this Bollinger Bands line right here to come straight to the 85 levels. So after touching the 85 levels, the next thing we are looking out for is the cross happens between the lines, which happens right here. So after the cross happens right at the 85 levels of the 85 levels of the RSI. So the next thing we are now going to do is to look for an entry on our mini chart. Now for the entries, we are expecting, now keep this in mind, before you see this cross happens on your indicator with the one, the price will already broke down below the Bollinger Bands. Now let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now let's say you come to the chart. Now the first thing you look out for is the price crossing below the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so when the price crossed below the Bollinger Bands, okay, this is the kind that was able to cross below the Bollinger Bands. After we confirm that the price has already broke below the Bollinger Bands, which broke below it right here. Now after we confirm that the line, the envelope line, we be at the 87 levels. Okay, now the cross happens, then the envelope line we should be also be at the 85 levels. Now for the sake of the entries, if you are not looking for an entries after you confirm these two things, is when you see that the price broke below the second indicator. After breaking below it, that is when we are now going to be enter for a sell trade and then we catch our 20 to 10 candles and close our positions. Now let me go give you guys one more example, and I'm going to do that on crash index. Okay, so let's look for a better trade. Okay, so let me use crash for that. Now this is a recent trade right here from the price. Okay, so you have to keep things in mind, keep this in mind. Now when we are trading with this strategy, this is what you are looking out for on crash index. Now the first thing we are looking out for is, okay, so let's do it this way. Now the first thing we are looking out for here is we want to see that the envelope line cross above the moving average. After crossing above the moving average, then now remember, this is the how you use this strategy on crash is different from how you use it on boom. Now this is how you use it on crash. Now you are looking for a cross moves between the lines, and we are also looking for the blue line to come straight to the 15 levels. Once you confirm these two things, then we should see that the price has already broke above the Bollinger Bands. After price broke above the Bollinger Bands and a candle cross each other on the envelope line without touching the 15 levels, then we enter our trade from there, and then we target our 20 to 30 candles. So that is how you use strategy on crash index. Okay, so I will guys find this video helpful, and this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and I posting strategy. So guys, if you have, thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.